In this video, we can talk about top 5 Shuffll alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today we will introduce the best alternatives to Shuffll, an excellent video editing tool that can bring your photos to life. So get ready as we introduce to you the top 5 alternatives of Shuffll, which are DID, Synthesia, Media, FlexClip, and Nova. Say goodbye to ordinary video editing and step into a realm of extraordinary creativity. First up, we have DID. DID is a powerful video editing tool that focuses on enhancing data privacy and security by anonymizing and protecting personal information in videos. It offers excellent features like live portrait, speaking portrait, and video reenactment. Its primary goal is to prevent unauthorized use of sensitive visual data, such as faces, through advanced image and video manipulation techniques. One of its standout features is its state-of-the-art facial anonymization technology, a go-to solution for privacy-conscious video editing. Next on our list is Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI-powered video synthesis tool designed to create lifelike and personalized videos with virtual presenters. It offers features like AI avatars, AI voices, and video templates. Synthesia disrupts traditional video production by enabling businesses to scale personalized communication without the need for extensive resources. One of its standout features is its ability to generate realistic video content with AI-driven avatars. Moving on, we have Media.io. Media is an all-in-one video creation platform that simplifies video editing and production processes, offering a wide array of features to enhance the visual appeal of videos. Its exclusive features like Video Enhancer, Video Converter, Video Compressor, and Video Editor. Media's user-friendly interface makes it an accessible tool for both beginners and experienced creators, ensuring quick and efficient video production. One of the standout features of Media is its extensive template library, coupled with an abundance of stock media, which empowers you to create captivating videos effortlessly. The fourth alternative on our list is FlexClip. FlexClip is a versatile online video editing tool that empowers users to create engaging videos and slideshows for various purposes, including marketing, presentations, and personal projects. It offers features like AI image generator, AI background remover, and slideshow maker. FlexClip's web-based platform ensures that you can access and edit your projects from any device with an internet connection, promoting flexibility and convenience. And one of the standout features of FlexClip is its extensive library of animated elements, which allows you to add creative flair to your videos effortlessly. Last but not least, we have Nova. Nova is a comprehensive video editing software that provides advanced editing capabilities and sophisticated features to produce high-quality cinematic videos. Some of its exclusive features like Video Analyzer, Video Trimmer, and YouTuber Cutter. Nova's focus on meeting the demands of professional videographers ensures it is a top-notch choice for those seeking premium video editing capabilities. And its standout feature is its powerful color grading tools, absolutely perfect for professional video creators. Compared to Shuffll, DID offers advanced facial anonymization, ensuring sensitive visual data and personal information in videos remains protected. Synthesia. When it comes to personalized video creation, Synthesia takes the lead. Its AI-driven video synthesis technology allows users to generate lifelike video presentations with virtual presenters based on text inputs. This innovative approach paves the way for scalable and engaging communication, making Synthesia a powerful contender against Shuffll. For content creators seeking quick and efficient video production, Media provides a treasure trove of pre-designed templates and a stock media library. FlexClip's online nature sets it apart, making it accessible from any device with an internet connection. Lastly, Nova targets professional videographers with its advanced editing tools and sophisticated features, and comes with a precise control over editing and powerful color grading capabilities. If we consider the overall performance and features of all 5 alternatives, we recommend Synthesia as the best alternative of Shuffll. Synthesia's AI-driven video synthesis technology opens up exciting possibilities for personalized video creation. The ability to generate lifelike video presentations with virtual presenters based on text inputs is revolutionary empowering businesses and content creators to scale personalized communication without the need for extensive resources. And there you have it, the best alternative to hyperwrite. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.